How to shift like a pro starts now. I'm going to play two clips. One is shifting like a pro, and the other one is a standard way of shifting. See if you can hear the difference. So which one sounded better? Was it clip 1 or clip 2? If you said clip 1, you are wrong. It was actually clip 2. If you said clip 2, congratulations. You heard the difference, now you're going to see the difference in real time. If you're like 99% of the people I do this experiment with, then you notice clip 1 sounds slower and appears slower than clip 2. And in fact, actually is slower. Why is that? Well, it's a common mistake amongst beginners. It's not their fault. They're only relaying their experience in driving a street legal motorcycle or street legal car, where you pull the clutch in completely, let off the gas, shift, then release the clutch. It is a more reliable way of doing things. It's easier on the clutch, but you're doing a one-step process, turning it into 4 different steps. You can imagine in a race environment how much slower this is. So here comes the information you guys all wanted to know, how to shift like a pro. So we're going to turn those 4 steps into just one. We're going to do them simultaneous, and we're going to change the let off the gas to keep the gas on, keep the bike wide open. I call this power shifting. So we're not going to pull the clutch in fully, we're just going to barely tap the clutch. I recommend using your middle finger, your pointer finger, or both of them at the same time. Do not use your whole hand. So we're simultaneously tapping the clutch, leaving the bike wide open, and shifting. The throttle's the easy one. You guys all understand you leave your throttle wide open? Good. So I'm going to remove that clip. The most important movement to the power shift is tapping the clutch as soon as you lift up your foot. So it happens in just one fluid motion. If you don't, the bike will miss a shift. This technique will take a little bit of time to get used to, but then it'll become muscle memory, and that'll be the only way you shift from here on. Now that you understand how to power shift, let's rewatch the clips. Now you'll understand what I'm doing wrong as far as letting off the gas, doing too many steps rather than just one simultaneous movement. I hope that was helpful. Please give me a like. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram. And until next time, guys, have fun and be safe.